Okay. Sorry.
It's algorithmic. Welcome to the future of trading. Today, we present Eazybot, the automated crypto trading software that makes trading easy. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Are you ready to increase your crypto and Bitcoin holdings? Join a company with a proven track record of success. So what exactly is Eazybot? It's algorithmic intelligence that automates crypto trading, safe, secure, and consistent. Enjoy the benefits of professional trading without the headaches because all bots are not created equal. With the Eazybot default strategy, you don't have to be an expert. Whether you're just starting out or have experience, you can quickly set up and close profitable trades without the hassle of adjusting complex parameters. You can see the parameters of the default strategy when selecting it on the bot settings page, and you can also watch the video that explains it. Want more control? Design your own winning formula. Eazybot's customizable settings give you full control over your trading strategy, whether you're day trading, scalping, or experimenting. Eazybot is built for profitable trades only. It's intelligently programmed to respond to any market condition and designed to never close a trade at a loss, with a historical success rate of over 99%, keeping you as safe as possible from major downturns. One of the most important features is 100% of your trading funds remain in your exchange account. With Eazybot, you don't have to relinquish your funds. Trading is done via a secure API connection within your trusted exchange. Now let's discover the power of compound interest. Eazybot's automatic compounding feature lets your earnings from previous trades fuel future ones, creating a cycle of growth. As Benjamin Franklin said, "Money makes money, and the money that money makes money." Eazybot can sustain trading even through a 90% market drop, allowing you to keep trading when others would be stuck. Since May 19th, 2022, our live account has demonstrated incredible results, achieving its first major milestone. After 848 days, Eazybot achieved a remarkable 100.4% gain, generating over $19,000 in profit. Shortly thereafter, Eazybot hit two more significant milestones: 10 million trades closed and $1 billion in total trade volume. An important component is consistent contributions. Regularly adding a fixed amount, even in small increments, leverages the power of compounding, where earnings generate their own earnings. Eazybot now features 29 stablecoin trading pairs and 32 Bitcoin growth pairs. If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term value, these are the easiest ways to grow your holdings. Now let's recap. Your trading funds remain in your exchange account. They never go to Eazybot. Which exchanges is Eazybot compatible with? Eazybot supports several major exchanges, including Binance, BitGet, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken, and Kucoin. What are software service fees? These fees are deducted from your Eazybot wallet each time a trade closes. Simply preload your wallet to ensure seamless trading. Need assistance? Eazybot makes it easy with live Zoom calls, email support, FAQs, and a global community. Our live calls not only provide support, but also create opportunities for users to share, learn, and earn together. Eazybot is reshaping the future of crypto auto trading with 24/7 stress-free trading, consistent profitable returns, profit during up and down markets, auto compound your earnings, and the freedom to withdraw your earnings anytime. No trading experience needed. Now getting started is easy. Connect with the person who shared this video. They'll help you register, verify, and set up your trading account. Let's embark on this journey together.
Okay, so started when Mohammed, who invented the software, basically was sick and tired of rug pulls and scams. and he was working with the company, and they had a software that he liked, and he basically helped them to better the software. And then he thought, hold on, if I'm doing that, why don't I just build my own company and do my own bot? And that's where he decided to create Eazybot, and that's what we basically have in front of us today. So the statements made in this presentation are strictly hypothetical. Company makes no claims, projections, or guarantees of any income potential or earning potential. As with any trading activity, there are varying factors which may or may not be within the control of the individual trader or software, including but not limited to market conditions, hacking activities, or geographic concerns. Individual results may and likely will vary. Prior to investing money in crypto or in any other markets, individuals should consult a licensed financial planner. Individuals should invest wisely and not risk more than they can afford to lose. Funds invested in cryptocurrencies are not protected or insured by the FDIC or other agencies. Okay, so what is Eazybot? Let's just go into it. So there's several levels to financial freedom, and this is what Robert Kiyosaki said. To obtain financial freedom, one must either be an investor or a business owner or both. Generate passive income, particularly on a monthly basis. With Eazybot, you have that opportunity to be both an investor as well as a business owner by using the Eazybot affiliate program. These are the 7 levels of wealth, and you can see that first you'll figure out where you want to financially go. Then you can cover your own expenses and financial responsibilities. And that's really where passive income starts to kick in. That's when you start saving and you're no longer living on paycheck to paycheck, and you can now be out of work and extended periods and cover emergency expenses. You can live the lifestyle you want without having to work to rely on others. And you can live off passive income and your investments generate. So what really does that mean? It really just means that once you put your money into Eazybot, you own your own money. You are 100% in control of your money. Eazybot doesn't have any access to your money. Your money is what trades in your account, and then it is all in your exchange account. So this is Susie Orman. Let me just quickly play that.
Time is the most important
Roy, I think your internet is stuck again. It's a bit, you cannot hear it.
You can't hear it?
in any financial freedom
no, it's-
recipe. And I'll just give you a very quick example.
Okay, let me go to the next one then.
$100 every month,
So basically,
you'll have $1 million.
if you invested
By the time it's 10 years,
$100
costs
in
you
the S&P 500 for 40 years with the average market returns of 12% a year, you'd have over $1 million after 40 years. So the 40-year plan, that's basically what the graph shows you there. And we're not looking at the 40-year plan. We're looking to make it a little bit easier, and that's by using the Eazybot compensation plan as well as the strategy. Let me go back up. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So a lot of people say crypto adoption isn't coming, or they're not sure when it's coming. I don't know if anyone's noticed the Bitcoin price recently, but it went over 119,000. That's an all-time high. So crypto mass adoption is a matter of when, not if. And crypto will be universally adopted within 10 years and overtake traditional investments. The SEC approves ETFs for everyday investors. So this is already happening. And I don't know if anyone's noticed, but Bitcoin recently has been in the news quite a lot. So making consistent profit can be hard and frustrating. 10 reasons that most traders lose money is because of lack of knowledge, poor risk management, emotional decision making, a lack of discipline, not maximizing wins, a lack of a trading plan, not cutting losses quickly, not adapting, over trading, and not keeping up with the market. I think that the most important thing to understand about trading is that the emotional damage that it does to most people is because of the problems that they have with trying to trade. Eazybot solves that problem with their built-in strategy that they have. So what is Eazybot? It's a revolutionary way for people around the world who are using safely and consistently earn crypto profits. So Eazybot has an automated strategy which benefits both people that are brand new and people that are professional without any headaches. So basically, it does all the work for you without you having to do any of the work. All you have to do is just do the setup and set and forget. Muhammad Ali is the founder of the company, and he's the one that is the genius that created the software that works like you can't believe. So the core values are service, integrity, trust, respect, leadership, commitment, patience, quality, gratitude, and consistency. I think that also one of the biggest things that they have is support. Their support is something else, and I suggest everyone just to attend one of their Zoom calls and ask questions. Their support is nothing like you've ever seen before. So the Eazybot strategy is a very, very simple setting that you do on the bot when you're setting it up. So you can see there's a little tab that says the Eazybot strategy, as well as underneath there, you can see enable market crash recovery. So if the market crashes, like the market has crashed, where it crashed almost 50, 60%, when FTX or one of the exchanges disappeared, and that can happen in the crypto space, but not if you choose the right exchanges. But the Eazybot, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there is no need to spend countless hours tinkering with parameters, settings, and strategies. With Eazybot's proven strategy and user-friendly interface, you can be up and running and closing profitable trades in no time. So it's built for profitable trades only. So the latest figure is 99% historical record of positive trades. Now, you may be asking, how do they do that? Basically, what they do is they do covers, and the covers of the trades show up in your dashboard on your Eazybot dashboard, and it shows you exactly what those covers are. So it'll say buy or sell, and in those, it's basically what it's doing is it's trading for you without you having to worry about what those covers are, but they're so transparent that they show you what the covers are that they're doing. So if you're wanting to grow your Bitcoin, they obviously have the Bitcoin growth bots, and you'll be able to grow Bitcoin holding. So what I always say to people is that a lot of people talk about Bitcoin mining, and basically you can mine Bitcoin by using Eazybot, by using their default strategy, just by growing your crypto portfolio, which you can then convert into Bitcoin at the end of the day. So it really is worth looking at to grow your Bitcoin holdings, but also just to use the Eazybot strategy using the USDT that they have. So you just saw what you didn't really see that video of Susie Orman where she was talking about compounding. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, and those who do it will understand it, because it really is the way to create generational wealth. They've got easy automatic compounding, and there you can see the setting that you can put it on the automatic compounding on the actual bot itself. So there's Albert Einstein and what he said about it. So compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. So I don't know who wants to pay it, but I definitely don't. I would rather earn it. And that just means that if you put in an amount, put in a little bit of an amount every single month, more and more and more, so that the compounding just gets greater and greater. So this you can see there the market crash recovery. So Eazybot can sustain a 90% market drop. There's no other bot in the market that can say that, and that's why it's very unique as a product. To if you're looking to look at the affiliate compensation plan, it really is. This is one of the strongest points to mention to people. So I'm not sure that this will come up, but you can just go back. No, it's not going to come up. So basically, you can see the trading results, and there's a dashboard. But we'll send Bucks. Do you have it on? Can you put it in the chat?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Just the performance. So the live account performance, it's not going to show it now, because it's basically on the slides. So let me just get to the next day. So your funds always remain 100% in your control. I think this is probably the most profound thing to tell people when you're telling them about Eazybot, because a lot of people pay money over and then they never see their funds again. And that's called a rug pull. It's scam or Ponzi or whatever it is that they're getting involved with. With this, your funds remain 100% in your control. So their support is something really, really, I've never ever seen such a support. Bucks, maybe you can back me up on that. I mean, you've been on a couple of support. Hey, Bucks?
Yes, I can't complain about that. And
Yeah.
so far, within 4 or 5 hours, you always just remember the time zone that they're in, and they give us feedback all the time, or even on the live shows. People, what happens on the live Zoom calls, they can actually take you to a breakout room. And in that breakout room, they will actually look at your bot. One of the professionals will look at your bot, and they will help you with whatever problem you've got on your bot. It's nice.
It really is the best support that I've ever seen on any crypto platform ever. So basically, what is Eazybot doing? They're reshaping the future of crypto trading with 24/7 stress-free trading, consistent profitable returns. They profit during an up and down market. And not many people can say that. So people think, oh no, I've got to buy while it's on the dip, but you don't. With Eazybot, you can buy on the dip and the bull run. So you can buy on the bull and the you buy on the bull run and on the down run. So that's the beauty of Eazybot. You can auto compound it just by putting the setting in there. You can withdraw your profits at any time, and there's no experience needed to trade. Eazybot does it all the work for you. Getting started is very easy. Basically, you select a package, you connect your exchange, and then you start trading. So these are the different packages. What I always say to people is, for $100 a year, if you're finding a bot that can make you up to, the percentages just vary on what bots you choose. But with the first one, you can trade up to 5 bots with one connection. What does that mean? One connection means one exchange connection. So with the Advantage package, you get 2 connections. That means you could be on Binance and Kucoin. Whereas with the first one, you're just on Binance, for example. And then obviously going up to the VIPs and the VIP Plus packages, you can see that you can trade, you get 5 connections, and you get one-on-one support with support, which is really, really, it's worthwhile that. Okay, so the referral rewards and affiliate business plan for builders. So what does this mean? So basically what I've just shown you is that Eazybot is a company that's a software company. And at the end of the day, what they have is a great software. But they didn't want to go out and try and sell it out to people. They thought, you know what? The best way to market it is by using the affiliate marketing program, by using it as a multi-level marketing system, whereby you refer it, and it's a referral business. So the only way that a person can join is by using a referral link So you would need to have a link in order to get Eazybot going. Okay, so these are the referral rewards. So you earn referral rewards and upgrades and renewals. On a starter, you earn 20, advanced 60, VIP 250, and VIP plus 375. And then you also earn on your referrals trades. So basically, the software server fees that Eazybot charges, you can earn on those fees that are charged of the person's trades. So my business at the moment has just gone to a level where I'm now earning a constant amount every single day that is, it just ticks over. I don't need to worry about it anymore. Okay, so again, we went to these 7, we've went through this earlier. Okay, this is not going to play either, so I'm just going to go through this. But the referral rewards plan is probably the most powerful part of Eazybot, and I've got a video that I'll send out to everyone too. I think Bucks, you've got it, the one with Eric Worre and Robert Kiyosaki and Richard Branson.
No, I haven't got it.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
Yes.
Okay, so there's 10 levels, upgrades of and renewals. So these are the levels. At the moment, I'm on the team builder and very close to executive builder. But that's as an affiliate, and these are the levels that you basically get to, which is great because it really just has.
And don't forget to ask about our optional referral rewards program, Eazybot Crypto Made
I don't
Easy.
know where that's playing now. Okay, so this is the software service on how they work.
Where's it coming from?
Quickly check that nothing else is on here. Okay, so this is the software service fees and rewards. So as an affiliate, you earn 5% with no qualifications. As a team builder, you earn 5%, 3 direct upgrades and 5 team upgrades. And as an executive builder, you earn obviously a little bit less, but the volumes are there. And then obviously, as you grow, as you build up, so the teams get there. But the thing is, you earn a percentage of all software service fees paid by your team through to 20 levels. So can you imagine, like, Bucks, how long after I was in the Eazybot did I, get you in? Do you remember?
Well, how long ago? Or
Yeah.
yes, Roy, it was about 2 years ago, but I was so stupid I didn't do it for a whole year. I was just sitting watching this thing, and then all of a sudden I realized I'm now 2 years in the bot running.
Yeah. So just to give everyone an idea, so a lot of people are nervous just to start off because they're not sure of what Eazybot is. But the software service fees that I earn now every single day, I mean, in another year's time, with the amount of people that are joining Eazybot, I'll never need to worry about money ever again. Just the money will be coming in month after month after month, just from the software service fee commissions. So this is the revenue pools that are paid monthly. So revenue pool 1 is 10 active bots on level 1. You're getting 1,000 team bots, basically in total. So that's if you've got 10 people in that have got 10 bots going each. So that's a revenue pool 1 that you can earn 1% of all of that. Revenue pool 2 is also 1. And so all of them are the 1% of the revenue pools, but it's obviously on the bigger team volume. So SSF matching bonuses. So these are bonuses over and above the actual software service fees. These are bonuses that you'll earn based on the software service fees commissions paid through 5 levels. So over and above that, and that's paid monthly. So Founders Club, this is a real important one because they basically are giving away 5% of the entire global revenue of Eazybot. They are giving it to the people that qualify for Founders Club. Is it worth doing? Well, I would say that definitely. I mean, if you can get to Founders Club level, you really are, that's what they call generational wealth. That's money that you could give to your kids, your grandkids, everyone. There's more than enough in there for them. So fast start bonus, if you're looking at this today and you're wanting to, really get going, you've got 45 days and you can get a fast start bonus up to $750 per referral. And you can earn double commissions for every package upgrade. So if you get people in and they're interested, then you can basically look at that, because that's a real sort of incentive for people to get going. So fast start bonus, refer up to 5 people who upgrade to starter, advanced, or VIP or VIP plus packages. Your own upgrades counts as one of those 5 referrals. New members have 45 days from date of sign up to qualify for the bonus. So basically, people have got 45 days from looking at this presentation to decide whether they want to build this. And that's the benefit of it. There's no limit for double commissions that can be earned during the 45-day qualification period, and only 1 upgrade per referral counts. So if you've got, more than 20 people and only 5 of them are upgrading, then those will count towards you. Okay. Is there any questions? Hello?
People is not always as Roy is doing the presentations. You must hammer him with questions and ask.
Hammer me with questions.
You can unmute yourself if you need to ask a question. Or must I ask a question?
Go for it.
Yes, people, we will put the recording onto the YouTube channel as well. You must just give me some time for the recording. I just want to say, I lost a whole year not doing this account, not doing this. And then eventually I was trying to do the trading myself, I'm still trying to do it just to keep me busy. But the major of my funds is in my Eazybot running. And I've got people that's going on holiday. Now if the Bitcoin just jumped up, like the Bitcoin bots were very slow, because Bitcoin is like a Titanic, it moves slow. But once it starts moving, and you always must remember, so at least there's 2 bots, as Roy said. You've got your USDT bot, and then you've got your Bitcoin bot. So what we always call the vault, your USDT is lying in USDT and your Bitcoin is in your Bitcoin vault. So it buys and sells. The difference between the 2 is, for starter people, I would recommend that you first start, look, you have 5 bots. 4 of the 5, first use it on your USDT bot, and then one of those bots, you make a Bitcoin bot. Because the Bitcoin bot grows very slowly. But as we're always saying, the price of Bitcoin is now just hit 2 million rand in South Africa. When I started, the price of Bitcoin was something like 300,000 rand. It went 2 million rand. People, by 2028, the price of 1 Bitcoin, or 2030, is going to be around about 15 million rand for 1 Bitcoin. So it's worthwhile putting in, use the 2 bots. The 1 bot you use for your finance, and the other one you use for your pension club. That's what I always tell the people. Now, if you are not in our Telegram, we've got a Telegram group. It's called the Canas group, where we post our Eazybot. Then Eazybot itself does have an official Telegram group for you guys to, you can join that group as well. Once you're in the Eazybot on the dashboard, there's a link at the bottom for you to go to the official Telegram group. And then me and Roy is also got a WhatsApp group where he does amazing things, giving us info, especially on X. Roy teaches us how to run X and the crypto talks. I missed the past 2 Sundays. It was just too busy for me. But then I've got chat talks. Roy, I don't know if you want to just explain to or tell the people about it.
Okay, so there's basically, if anyone knows crypto, then you will know that where crypto started was on Twitter. The original Twitter is where crypto started, and that's where the communities got together and they created the crypto universe. And so what there is now on X is a lot of X Twitter. There is a lot of communities that are crypto communities. And what you can do is there's something called shilling, which means that you can go and you can sit in a room with a whole bunch of people that are into crypto, and you can talk about Eazybot and you can tell them what you want to talk about. I'll put in the Telegram chat what I put onto my chats and when I chat in the rooms, just so that you can understand what it is. But that's probably the quickest way to grow. I now have 690 people in my team because of that. And I mean, how quickly do you think that happened? I only started building it really this last year, not before that. So the amount of people in my team is basically because of the shilling that I've been doing on X Spaces. And I'm happy to show anyone how to do that if you have the time, and we can do that for you.
Yes, and just on the referral side of the referral program that Roy also talked about, people, I don't have 600 people. I only are close to, I think I'm trying to get to 100. But just on that, I do not have to top up my wallet anymore. As a matter of fact, I'm nearly at this stage where I can say with the profits I'm making on the wallet, I can actually pay my electricity bill. That's how effective that reward system is for us. And for people that you can only start with a small amount. Remember, you pay that $100, where me and Roy, anybody that's below us in our teams, directly or indirect, as long as you're in one of the 10 levels of our team, I'm prepared to sponsor you guys 50% of that $100, because we're getting commissions on that and we're getting actually rewards on that. So I've got in points, not money, in points, where I will support anybody that's in my downline. Whether you're level 1, 2, 3, 5, or 8, doesn't matter. I'm prepared to help a person to start up. So one thing that wasn't shown on this presentation was the amount of money you need. The minimum amount for us in South Africa, if you join a Kucoin account, is you need to have $20 in it. But as Roy also said, and as in the presentation, with $20, you cannot expect a lot of money to come in. But you can add money as your wallet grows. Some people start with $20. Some people start, in the olden days, we started up with $300. And I've got people that even starts up with 20 to 50,000 Rand. And those people is really making 15. They've got on a 50,000 account, you can have up to 20 bots running easily. And it's just the more bots you got, the more money you're getting. And you've got diversity. So if you're locked into one bot, it might happen that that bot might not perform. I've put it in the performance. You can go and check there on the commission status. But so obviously, and the minimum is $200 per bot, but you can have up to $20,000 in one bot. It all depends on your how you want to structure your package for yourself. And as I said, and Roy said it again, I had 3 heart attacks. I'm always telling this thing 2 years ago. And I was in ICU. and I was able to withdraw funds out of the ICU on my phone from my Eazybot, from my Kucoin wallet. There was nobody that I had to ask. It's like your own personal bank account. This is what a wallet is for those people that doesn't know. It's your crypto wallet. We call it, but it's your crypto bank account. And you will be able to withdraw anytime. It's a decentralized world where you are in control of your funds. Okay.
Tebogo, a quick question. Have you met Robert Kiyosaki?
Yes, I have, Rob.
Oh, okay. Wow. That's must have been quite an experience.
Yes.
When was that?
2018 or 19. I think
Yeah,
2018.
That's right. That's
Yes.
when he was here. Yeah. Wow. So, Tebogo, I don't know if you've had any multi-level marketing experience, network marketing experience.
Yes, I have had a network marketing experience.
What were you in before?
I did Carrot Bars and a couple of others.
Oh, okay. So you know how it works. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll tell you what the difference is between Carrot Bars, Amway, and Herbalife, any one of those, is that the product that you're selling here is software. And the software works. And if you look at the numbers and you look at the performance dashboard, you'll be able to see what can be earned. And that's really what so Tebogo, if I had to say this to you, that Eazybot will become one of the biggest companies in the world because of the software. And like Herbalife, like Amway, like all of those, the difference is that you're not trying to sell you're not trying to sell vitamins, you're not trying to sell soap, you're not trying to sell anything like that. All that you're doing is you're telling people about a software that works, let them try it out, and then say to them, hey, if you want to try the affiliate program, take a look at this, it's worth it.
Absolutely, I get it 100%.
Okay, good. Great. Nice to meet you. Anyone
Same here.
else got questions?
Okay, people.
Mari?
If there's no other questions, I don't know if I can't see anybody's hands up. I'm just actually remove the pin. I can see everybody. Yeah. Then I think we're gonna call it a night. I will post this in the. I will post it.
Tebogo, sorry, Tebogo, who introduced you?
I'm with Mari and the team. I think she's still on the
Okay,
call.
great. So, Mari, can we maybe chat about doing an X Spaces where I can show Tebogo how to shill on Spaces?
Yeah,
Yes, that's right. We can arrange it for a Wednesday evening. I'll speak to the team. Or you
Okay.
can ask the broker, yes.
That sounds great. Okay, good. Yeah.
Roy Tebogo and them has got a part of that's the Lesema group. Ne, Murray? They invited me also to a Zoom on a Wednesday night.
Yes, that's right. It's the Tema group.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be powerful.
So
Okay.
Roy could actually join us then, if it's possible.
Yeah, next week, Wednesday.
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, thanks everyone, and lovely to see everyone on the Zoom. And let's try and get 100 people onto these Zooms at a time, because that's the key to growth. If you can get people on a Zoom and they can see the presentation, I'm not going to go through the presentation much more than I did tonight, where I actually waffled on a bit too much. But the basic presentation that I did in the beginning is enough to show people what it is. And then just going through the slides just to briefly show the referral program that's really all it is. So, yeah, that's Eazybot.
All right. Thank you, people, and have a great night. Thank you, Roy.
Thanks, Roy. Thanks, Bex.
Okay, thank you. Cheers.
Good night, all.